Welcome. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to integrate 1 over the square root of 9 minus squared x. And we're going to use a trigonometric substitution. So this integral, it has this form. It has the form square root of a squared minus x squared. And when you see an integral of this form, you want to let x equal a times sine theta. Now in this case, our a is equal to 3, since 3 squared equals 9, and that's the constant up front here. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this substitution. So we're letting x equal 3 sine theta, then dx equals 3 cosine theta d theta. Now I can rewrite this, and as you can see, I'm going to replace this dx with 3 cosine theta d theta, and in here I'll end up with 9 minus x squared. So this becomes the integral of 3 cosine theta d theta divided by the square root of 9 minus, and very quickly, since x equals 3 sine theta, then x squared is equal to 9 sine squared theta. All right, let's continue simplifying this. This is 3 cosine theta d theta divided by the square root of 9 times 1 minus sine squared theta. I can continue to rewrite this as 3 over 3. Since I pulled this constant out front and the square root of 9 is also 3, that is how I end up with 3 over 3. And this is times cosine theta divided by the square root of cosine squared theta. Now, where did this cosine squared theta come from? Recall that cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. So 1 minus sine squared theta is equal to cosine squared theta, and that's precisely what we had in here. And let's not forget the d theta. So this simplifies to the integral of cosine theta over cosine theta d theta, which is equal to just the integral of d theta. So this becomes theta plus a constant c. Now we need to replace theta with something with some x's. We started off with an integral with respect to x, and we need to end with an integral with respect to x, not with respect to theta. Well, if you notice, we said x equals 3 times sine theta. That tells me that sine theta equals x over 3. So theta equals sine inverse of x over 3. Now we can just replace this theta with sine inverse of x over 3. So I end up with sine inverse of x over 3 plus c. What have we just done? We've shown that the integral of 1 over the square root of 9 minus x squared dx is equal to sine inverse of x over 3 plus a constant c. I hope this video was helpful.